Transistor characteristics. Generally, in the topic, I take NPN transistor, ORR, PNP transistor. I take NPN transistor, and configuration is common emitter configuration, simply denoted by CE configuration. CE means common emitter configuration. Common emitter configuration means emitter is common for both input and output. Yesterday I discussed, this is the symbol now. Look here, common emitter configuration here. This is the emitter now. This is the base. This is the collector. Okay. This transistor name NPN. Current direction on the emitter always P to N. P to N here. Okay. This is the diagram of the NPN transistor common emitter configuration. Emitter is common for both input and output. This is the input. This is the output. Here, according to what is the use of transistor? To transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. What is the use of transistor? It is a device to transfer a current from low resistance to high resistance. Okay, that means low resistance means forward bias. High resistance means reverse bias. Simply, input is connected to the forward bias, output is connected to the reverse bias. Okay, input is connected to forward bias generally. Emitter base connected forward bias, that means P is connected to the positive, N is connected to the negative. This biasing is said to be a forward bias. Generally, input is connected to forward bias. Output is connected to reverse bias. Reverse bias means here N is connected to positive. Okay, N is connected to positive. Here automatically this becomes a minus. Okay, here once again repeat. This is a reverse bias. N is connected to positive. Collector is connected because collector is a output. Okay, that is the reverse bias. Okay, here look here. This is connected to base, so its potential is VBB. Okay, here I take resistance also. I take here resistance. This resistance is called RS. Series resistance. This is called input resistance. Here I connected the ammeter. It is a base. Base is a lightly doped in the transistor. Lightly doped means charge is very less. So this current measured in microammeter. What is the use of ammeter? To measure the current. Base is a lightly doped, so that's why to measure very light current, that is microammeter. Okay, this is the diagram. Here, this is the voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device to measure the voltage. That voltage is input voltage. Okay, this is the input voltage. Okay, look here. Okay, this is the input voltage. Here also output measured by connecting the output resistor. Generally output resistor is called load resistor. This battery is connected to the collector. So that's why VCC. Here output is measured by using voltmeter. Here this is called V output. And again this is VCC, RL, and this current measuring is, this is collector. Collector is moderately doped. So that's why charge carriers is okay. So that's why this ammeter is milliammeter. Milli means 10 power minus 3. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Base is lightly doped. So here connected very less current. So that's why here connected microammeter. Collector is connected milliammeter. Okay. This is the circuit diagram. Do you understand the circuit diagram? Okay. Here Nana, first study the input characteristics. Here look here Nana, input characteristics. Input characteristics, that means in this diagram input is studied, output is constant. Output name is VCE. Here look here, V output equal to here output connected collector emitter. So output is nothing but the VCE. Okay, that means Nana, to study the input, output voltage is constant. Suppose output voltage is constant, that is fixed 10 volts. I draw the graph Nana. This is experimental graph Nana. Here look here. I take input voltage Nana. It is connected base to emitter. So that's why this is input voltage taken as x-axis. Input current, base current Nana. This is measured in microamperes. This can be taken as y-axis. This is the graph Nana here. This is the graph Nana. According to this graph, here VCE is fixed Nana, that is 10 volts. Okay. This is the graph Nana. This is the graph. This is the x-axis Nana. This is the y-axis Nana. This is the graph, experimental graph. Here output voltage is fixed. Input voltage changes, corresponding current also changes. Up to here no change Nana. Because for silicon diode, the transistor is made of silicon, its potential barrier is 0.7 volts. Germanium potential barrier is 0.3 volts. That means potential barrier is present up to some voltage. Current does not increase because potential barrier is present. Potential barrier opposes the flow of charge up to, for example, this is the silicon, up to 0.7 volts. Current flow becomes 0. After 0.7 volts, voltage increases, current also increases. Voltage increases, current also increases. Here to determine input, input resistance according to graph. Input resistance means actually Ohm's law, V equal to IR, R equal to V by I, change in voltage by change in current. According to experimentally to determine, this resistance is approximately 100 ohms to 1000 ohms. That means this is 100 ohms to 1000 ohms based on the doping. That means in the transistor resistance, input resistance varies 100 ohms to 1000 ohms. Okay, this is the input characteristics. In the input we study the input. Output voltage is constant. This is the experimental graph up to here voltage, input voltage change, but input current 0 because every transistor made of one material, that material contain a potential barrier. So that's why here up to here no current is present, no input current is present. After that potential barrier reduces, VBE input voltage increases, input current also increases. This is similar to input characteristics of the transistor graph, similar to PN junction diode. PN junction diode in forward bias. In the previous class I discussed Nana, this is last week syllabus. Nana, here PN junction diode in forward bias. This graph is similar to diode in forward bias. This is the input characteristics Nana. Input characteristic study, output voltage is constant, input voltage changes, automatically input current also changes. Input resistance varies 100 ohms to 1000 ohms. Next I study output characteristics. To look here Nana, output characteristics. Generally output characteristics means output characteristics. Output characteristics means here input current is constant, IB is constant. For example, I take IB is 0 microampere and corresponding graph is drawn Nana. Look here, this is the here output means here VCE I taken output voltage according to diagram VCE. In the x-axis it can be taken as volts. Okay, here output current name is IC. It is taken as milliamperes, taken as y-axis. That means output voltage taken as x-axis, output current, that means collector current taken as y-axis, input current is fixed, that means output characteristics to study, input is constant. I draw the experimental graph Nana, this is graph Nana, look here. Here IB value is taken, how much Nana? 0 microampere. According to this graph here IB value, next value fixed Nana. For example, 10 microampere taken. This is the graph Nana. Here IB value 10 microampere graph. Here IB value 20 microampere I taken Nana. This is the graph Nana. IB value fixed value Nana. IB, suppose IB value 30. This is the graph Nana. Okay. Nana, look here, according to IB value, for example IB 0, this is the IC Nana. Here IB 10, this is the IC 10 Nana. IB 20, IC also 20. IB 30, IC also 30. Nana, look here the diagram according to convention. To see, once again I repeat Nana, IB changes, that means IB means input, base is input, collector is output. IB changes, here 0 to 10 micro means small changes Nana. That means small changes in base current. That means, for example, small changes in base current Nana. That means here 0 to 10 microamperes change అయితే here 0 to 10, that means 10 milliamperes change. Milli అంటే ఎంత? 10 power minus 3. Micro అంటే 10 power minus 6. But that means 10 power minus 6 becomes ఏమైంది నాన్న? 10 power minus 3. అంటే సింప్లీ ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది? ఇది 1000 టైమ్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది. అంటే బేస్ కరెంట్ 1 చేంజ్ అయితే కలెక్టర్ కరెంట్ 1000 చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. బేస్ కరెంట్ 2 చేంజ్ అయితే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, 10 becomes 28, ఇక్కడ కూడా 10 becomes ఎంత అయింది? 20. అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 10 మిల్లీ ఆంపియర్స్. ఇదేమో 10 మైక్రో ఆంపియర్స్. అంటే 1 చేంజ్ అయితే ఐబీ 1 అయితే ఐసీ 1000, ఐబీ 2 అయితే ఐసీ 2000, ఐబీ 3 అయితే ఐసీ 3000, ఐబీ 4 అయితే ఐసీ 5000. That means small changes in base current to produce large changes in collector current according to graph nana. అంటే ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది? 1000 times change అవుతుంది. అంటే స్మాల్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ బేస్ కరెంట్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఏ లార్జ్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ కలెక్టర్ కరెంట్. లార్జ్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ కలెక్టర్ కరెంట్. That means how many times change? 1000 times changes. అంటే స్మాల్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ ఇన్పుట్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ ఏ లార్జ్ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ అవుట్పుట్. చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా. స్మాల్ సౌండ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. అదే మైక్ పెట్టుకుంటే లార్జ్ బూమింగ్ సౌండ్ ఈజ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్. దట్ మీన్స్ a small sound becomes large. That phenomena in the physics is called amplification. That means in this region the signal is to be amplified. In this region the signal is to be amplified. That means in the region is nothing but the active region. This active region indicate amplified region because small changes in base current to produce large changes in collector current. Once again I repeat now, small changes in base current to produce large changes in collector current in this region. That means base current 10 change అయితే collector current 10,000 change అవుతుంది. అంటే దాని మీనింగ్ how many times change? Nearly 1000 times changes. Small changes in base current to produce large changes in collector current. Look here the diagram. Here IB0 nana. This line very nearer to x-axis nana. Very nearer to x-axis nana. That means nana very nearer to x-axis nana. This region is called cutoff region. What region nana? Cutoff region. Here look here, cutoff region means according to diagram, cutoff region means IB value becomes approximately 0. That corresponding, this is very nearer to x-axis. On the x-axis y becomes 0. Y means IC approximately 0. IB becomes 0. Approximately IC becomes 0. That means current does not flow. That means input current 0, output current 0. Current 0, that means input and output call as reverse bias. Input and output connected to reverse bias. In the region is called cutoff region. Cutoff region means IB0. According to this graph, this line is nearer to x-axis. On the x-axis y becomes 0, IC 0, IB 0, IC 0. IB means input current 0, collector current also 0, input 0, output 0. So that's why both the input and output are connected in reverse bias. That region is called cutoff region. Next, this region is called as active region. What is the active region according to diagram? Active region means small changes in base current to produce large changes in collector current. Small changes in input to produce large changes in output. This active region acts as amplifier, okay? And here input connected in forward bias and output connected in reverse bias. This is the basic phenomena of transistor. Transistor is to transfer a current from low resistance to that means forward bias to reverse bias. That means transistor works only in the active region nana. Okay, next region nana. Here look here nana. This region is called as saturation region. You look here, that region is called what nana? Saturation region. This region nana, current IC more increases, it does not depends upon the IB. In the saturation region, IC increases not depends upon the base current in this region. That means very low voltage is applied, high low input, low output voltage to give high output current. Low, this is voltage nana, voltage taken as x-axis. Low voltage is applied, low output voltage is applied, high output current obtained. In this region is called saturation region. High output, nana, low output voltage to get high output. That means nana here input and output are in forward bias. Input and output are in the forward bias. Nana here in the output characteristics, the graph is divided in how many regions? 3 regions. What is the first region? Cutoff region. Cutoff region means input and output both are reverse bias. That means IC 0, automatically IB also 0. In the active region, small changes in input to produce the large changes in output. The reactive region, transistor works as an amplifier. In this region, input is connected to forward bias, output is connected to reverse bias. Here in the saturation region, IC does not depends upon the IB nana. In this region, both input and output is both are forward bias. This region is called saturation region. Active region, transistor as a amplifier. Cutoff region, saturation region, transistor acts as a switch. Once again repeat nana, cutoff region and saturation region, transistor acts as a switch in the electricity. Next topic I discuss, transistor acts as a switch. Okay.